Good morning, guys. Today is 16th of July. Today is Friday. After an eventful expiry yesterday, we have again gapped up pretty much above the yesterday's high. And of course, this kind of a small selling was expected. And I was sitting on a 15950 part 15950 straddle and some of the strangles. But when we started seeing the downside cascade, these put options started spiking, and because of which I closed this 15950 straddle with a decent 4 or 5 point profit, and then I spread my risk across various strikes. So currently we have a 250 point strangle and a 350 point strangle. So as of now the IVs are kind of expanding, or else we were up by almost 15k at some point, but now that the IVs are expanding, the MTM is slightly sliding down. And on the Bank Nifty account, we are sitting on a 35,900 straddle. If at all the day's low gets breached in Bank Nifty, let's say if we start heading and start making a day's low, the next support will be somewhere around 35,700 levels. So that's why we are not gonna stay until that point. The moment the day's low gets taken out, we'll most probably cut out from this position. I'm not sure like how the DK is going to turn out today, considering the fact that we are just inches away from 16,000, and there is a potential threat of all these short covering rallies that might get triggered. But so my 16050 call, which I had bought, which I had shorted as some sort of, okay, it got triggered. All right, not an issue. So I had shorted the 16050 call in order to mitigate the risk of these 15800 bleeding puts, and I had kept a very tight stop loss. एक दो तीन रुपए का स्टॉप लॉस रखा था, एंड दैट गॉट ट्रिगर्ड. एंड जैसे ही वो स्टॉप लॉस ट्रिगर हो गया मैंने क्या किया, आई जस्ट went and shorted the 1600 calls as of now. So till the day's high is breached, I don't have anything to worry, and at the same time till the day's low is breached, I don't think we have anything to worry. Currently we have closed all other positions, and we have only a 300 point strangle that's open, 15800 puts and 16100 calls. And even on the Bank Nifty account, we are doing quite okay. We are up by 15 points, and here also we are up by close to 3 points. So the margin used is somewhere around 37 lakhs, and I could still take another 10 lots of these positions, but I'm not planning to do so right away. And let's wait for 15,975 to clearly get taken out. These calls are bleeding a lot, and these puts are also spiking up, and because of which we are going down mark to market wise. But that's okay. We'll see like what's going to happen, like how the market's going to turn out. If at all we start heading cost to cost, or if at all my risk appetite for the day is 10k, that's it. Because I was up by almost 15k, and from there if I head back to like 10k minus, that would mean that I'm taking a risk of 25,000. So if I start heading down to 10k negative mark to market, most probably I'll cut out the position. There won't be any adjustments, because guys, Thursday हो तो कुछ ना कुछ adjustment करके हम बाहर आ सकते हैं. But today being Friday, तो adjustments भी कैसे काम करने वाला है, we are not sure. That's why we're not going to do much of the tinkering with the markets. So, and also like we are in the uncharted territory, correct? जैसे ये breach हो जाएगा, once the day's high is clearly taken out, then most probably there will be a further short covering rally that might get triggered. So I don't want to be a part of that. And yeah, we are up by close to 11, 12, 3-4 points. And the moment we reach like 6 points for the day, I'll most probably cut out. I am not expecting any more DK apart more than like 6-7 points. And now that the put side is losing its value, it's a good thing for us, and I'll keep you guys posted. Time is 9:54, and we are again in an IV spike scenario. The calls are not deflating because the market is forming some sort of an ascending triangle pattern, and at the same time these puts are also not deflating. The triangle as a whole has gained close to 1.5 points. I was up by around 23k. If we start heading higher, I'm not sure how fast these calls are going to expand. So it's all about the calls as of now because the market is forming some sort of an ascending triangle pattern. आप देख सकते हैं ना. So if at all यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times यहाँ पे market ने try कर चुका है, like the next time it's gonna be a boom towards the upside हो सकता है. और the sellers might, some initiative sellers might come and try to take the control and immediately trend line break होके नीचे की तरफ गिर सकता है. But we are not gonna do anything preemptively today. So because we are already sitting on a decent mark to market, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait and let this clearly get taken out. ठीक है, तब तक हम कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड एट द सेम टाइम यहाँ पे 15800 का जो पुट है तब तक होल्ड करूंगा मैं जब तक ये 20 मूविंग एवरेज ब्रीच ना हो. लेट द 20 मूविंग एवरेज ब्रीच एंड उसके बाद हम एक कॉल लेंगे. उसके बाद हम एक डिसीजन लेंगे. And on the Bank Nifty account, we are close to 40 points. 40 points DK collect कर चुके हैं and haven't used any hedges here. Just naked position चल रही है. Not a problem. And if at all we head to let's say 22, 23 के again back, most probably I'm gonna cut out the position because because Friday पे क्या हो जाता है? There will be high probability of second session breakouts or breakdowns. Usually 12 o'clock के बाद Friday में काफी ज्यादा इधर उधर का मोमेंट आ जाता है. सो आई डोंट वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट. तो जितना हो सके उतना हम कलेक्ट करके बाहर निकलने का ट्राई करेंगे. एंड इफ एट ऑल लाइक आफ्टरनून आल्सो वी कैन कम एंड यू कैन टेक पोजिशनल ट्रेड टू कैप्चर सम वीकेंड डीके. ऑलराइट, started seeing a good amount of cascade. And of course, like this dip will definitely get bought is what I'm thinking, but I don't want to take any chance because these 15800 calls have started to bleed. And we got a decent exit at 23 and 35. I'm sorry, 23 and 35, and now currently it's 36.5 and 22.5. So yeah, we got a decent exit to come out. And as I said, Bank Nifty जैसे day slow breach कर दिया, I decided to take an exit here also at 2.5k profits. So around 18.5 here and 2.5 here. So which makes it 21k. So 21k for the day. Not gonna trade today. काफी है because Friday के हिसाब से we almost collected like 6 points of DK on a base of 60 point का जो strangle था, right? 22 rupees and somewhere around 36 rupees, which equates to 60 points of a strangle worth. So we managed to capture 10 points of the strangle DK. And since we are at an all-time high, we can see any kind of a freak move today, considering that today is Friday. I don't want to be a part of any of that, so because of which I have completely cut out of my positions. And another thing, so what is the probability? All right, okay, we have started sudden cascade. Okay, I wanted to explain you another thing, guys. What's the probability of market breaching a strong stiff resistance as 16,000 on an intraday basis? I would say the probability is very low. That is because इंट्राडे में 16,000 ब्रीच हो ही नहीं सकता मेरे हिसाब से. इफ एट ऑल द इंट्राडे में अगर इफ एट ऑल दिस 16,000 नीड्स टू गेट टेकन आउट ऑन एन इंट्राडे बेसिस, इट नीड्स strong hands in order to absorb all that selling liquidity and push the market through that. But nobody is going to do that. That is because it costs them a lot of money to move the markets that way. So usually क्या करते हैं मार्केट को, यूजुअली रेजिस्टेंसेस कैसे टेकन आउट हो जाता है, मार्केट्स को यहाँ पे कहीं पे ऐसे घुमा के यहाँ पे हॉल्ट करा देते हैं एंड द नेक्स्ट डे द गैप अप समवेयर हियर 16,025 के आसपास गैप अप करते हैं एंड देन द मार्केट विल टेक 16,000 एज अ सपोर्ट. 16,000 पहले जो रेजिस्टेंस हुआ करता था, नाउ इट विल एक्ट एज अ सपोर्ट एंड फ्रॉम देयर इट विल स्टार्ट इट्स जर्नी. सो दैट्स हाउ द रेजिस्टेंसेस यूजुअली गेट टेकन आउट. बट सपोर्ट कैसे टेकन आउट हो जाता है? Support can just get taken out just like this because support जब breach होता है, support जब breach होता है, usually क्या हो जाता है, everyone is in a panic. So everyone starts to unwind their positions and that's why breaking a support is not much of a hassle compared to breaking a resistance. Time's close to 12:50 and whatever we thought it did happen, but it didn't happen the way we expected. I was expecting a sudden cascade towards the downside, but again it went back up, spent some time here and then came down, so which made these puts not appreciate so much at least not appreciate, didn't appreciate as much as I would expect it. But anyway, I took an exit somewhere around 10 o'clock. Yeah, exact 10 o'clock. I'm sorry, exact 10 o'clock पे मैंने exit लिया है. And after that, I haven't done anything. Just games खेलते बैठा था. But yeah, even now the market looks like a downtrend. At least temporary जो trend आज का intraday trend जो दिख रहा है, it looks like a downtrend, because if at all market respects this 20 moving average and starts sliding down, and also we have a proper lower high lower low pattern, right? यहाँ पे डबल टॉप फॉर्म करके लोअर हाई लोअर लो बना के नीचे आ रहा है मार्केट. एंड बैंक निफ्टी इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ वीक. दैट्स बिकॉज इट हैज ब्रोकन इट्स 200 डे मूविंग एवरेज ब्रेक करके अभी नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है. लुक एट दिस इज अ कॉन्फ्लुएंस जोन वेयर 200 मूविंग एवरेज एंड 20 मूविंग एवरेज दोनों है. तो इफ एट ऑल इट गेट्स टेकन आउट टुवर्ड्स द अपसाइड, we'll see a sharp recovery. If at all this gets respected, I have no doubt that the day's low gets taken out. So both chances are there. And this being Friday, if at all we see sudden sharp moves in either direction, अगर ऊपर की तरफ sharp move आ जाता है and if we take out the day's high today itself, then that would lead to massive call side expansion. At the same time, if we start like breaching the day's low and if we head to, let's say, 15,850 levels, then that will increase this puts to a good amount of value. That's why I've stayed away from the markets after 10 o'clock. So I had a 40 minutes, I had a 35 minutes trade. And yeah, that would be the end of my trading day. I'm not going to take any positional trades as of now. I want the markets to correct a bit and then maybe I'll go long on Bank Nifty, just again using the same covered call strategy. And I hope you guys have a good trading session. If you are currently in the trade, do well and come out profitable. And I'll see you guys in the weekend in my educational videos. So